Good morning students, my name is Nisha Singhi and I am taking second standard and today I am going to teach EVS subject and today's topic is living things and non-living things. First we are going to learn about the living and non-living things. So what is living things? So those who can move from one place to another, or those who can eat, or those who can walk, run, so we can say as a living things. So let's see the examples for living things. So students, now you can see the examples. First one is human beings. See, like we all are human beings. So we can walk, move from one place to another, we can run, we can talk, or we can eat anything. So we are living things. So second example is animals. Animals also can move from one place to another, or they can eat, or they can walk, they can run. So animals is also living things. So next example is birds. So as you saw, birds also fly. So they are also living things. Birds also see. They can make the sound and they are fly. So birds is also example for living things. So you all have seen the frog. Frog also jump from one place to another. So it is also living thing. So students, these all are the examples of living things. Now let's learn the non-living things. What is non-living things? Non-living thing is nothing but which they can. So students, we have learned about the living things and these all are the examples for living things. So now let's learn about the non-living things. So what is non-living things? Non-living things is nothing but the which cannot move from one place to another, which cannot breathe, they cannot talk, they cannot sing, they cannot walk, they cannot talk. So let's see the examples for the non-living things. First one is so here are the some examples for non-living things. As you can see, table can walk? No, table cannot walk. It has 4 legs but it cannot walk because it is a non-living thing. It cannot move from one place to another. Also you can see the chair. Chair also cannot move from one place to another because chair is non-living thing. It stay where it is. So because it is non-living things, it cannot breathe, it cannot walk. So as you can see, fan also cannot walk, can't talk or can't breathe. As you can see, bench also can't move from one place to another or it cannot talk. So these are the examples of non-living things: table, chair, fan and bench. So students, now it's time to take the homework. So write down the homework. Identify the living things and non-living things from given column and write daily 5 examples for living things and non-living things in your notebook and send on WhatsApp. Thank you.